Tired of scattered notes and brittle bookmarks? Meet Remio, your private AI knowledge base that saves everything automatically. Imagine prepping for meetings, papers, or fast customer responses. No more hunting tabs, scattered files, or lost web research. Remio auto-saves web pages and local files instantly. Browser extension indexes every visited page in the sidebar. One-click sync adds Word, PowerPoint, PDFs, and audio locally. Files stay local. No uploads to ChatGPT or external servers. Search across your private index with fast, context-aware retrieval. Your personal ChatGPT uses multi-source context for accurate answers. Integrations include Chrome, Gmail, X, YouTube, PDFs, and Office. Long context summaries and tailored drafts from all your sources. Automatic meeting recording with unlimited free transcription and timestamps. Playback controls and speaker labels make review painless and precise. Organize knowledge into reusable snippets, notes, and searchable threads. Draft emails, reports, and support replies directly from sources. Remio keeps provenance so you always trace original sources. Enterprise-grade security with local sync and encrypted storage. Search speed scales with your data, not external APIs. Zero-knowledge workflows preserve confidentiality for sensitive research and client materials. Power users love one-click indexing and reliable content retrieval. Researchers find faster literature reviews and instant topic summaries. Content creators transform saved sources into polished drafts and scripts. Customer support teams get instant document-aware answers during conversations. Remio automates repetitive research and content assembly tasks. Save hours weekly by reusing organized knowledge across projects. Real example, prepare a pitch using aggregated meeting notes instantly. Another example, draft customer replies using product manuals and emails. Searchable timestamps let you jump to exact meeting moments. Link back to sources when sharing drafts or citing references. Remio's UI is clean, minimal, and built for speed. Dual-pane editors let you view source and draft simultaneously. Sidebar extension saves pages automatically, preventing broken bookmarks. Local File Explorer syncs instantly without exposing your network data. Remio supports PDF, Word, PPT, audio, and spreadsheet formats natively. Advanced search filters narrow results by source, date, and speaker. Custom tags and folders keep projects clean and discoverable. Automations generate recurring briefs, summaries, and follow-up drafts automatically. Integrate Remio into workflows with CSV export and API access. Teams scale knowledge retention without duplicating effort or resources. Remio improves onboarding by providing searchable institutional memory instantly. Marketing teams speed up asset creation and content ideation cycles. Security-first architecture satisfies compliance and enterprise requirements for HIPAA and corporate policies. Pricing. Discover the best Remio deal today on AppSumo. AppSumo offers access to premium features at a limited-time price. Ideal for researchers, knowledge workers, and content creators wanting efficiency. Try Remio to centralize research, files, and browser knowledge instantly. Sign up, install the extension, and sync your first folder. Start searching immediately. Watch drafts and summaries appear in minutes. Save time on repeat tasks and focus on high-level thinking. Real users report faster turnaround and fewer context gaps. Your private knowledge base grows with every page and file. Stop copying notes. Let your AI assemble the answers for you. Remio is the upgrade your research and content workflows deserve. Discover the AppSumo deal now and start building knowledge. Click the link, claim the offer, and simplify your workday. Try free transcription, multi-source ChatGPT, and local-first privacy today. Remio, organized, searchable, private. Research power made effortless.